most everyone knows everything you do in a small town. Some days I'm just like so hot and so tired and so sore, and someone will drive by and just honk and wave. It's like, hey, they notice the flowers. Hi, I'm Jenny Campbell, and I am one of the owners of Taylor Flower Patch along with my husband. We live in Taylor, Mississippi, which is where our farm is. It's south of Oxford. Love to garden, and so my husband said, find a way to garden and make money. We bought this property a couple of years later, and between my husband and my sister and their encouragement, here I am today. I was able to attend a couple of the meetings on campus to get a good idea how to do my business plan. The beauty of having these videos available, I can go and register for a class, watch it on my own time, and it's anything from developing your business, working with accountants, how to manage employees. There's just a plethora, and I can watch those as many times as I want to. And each time I feel like I get more out of it. I talked to Rick, my SBDC person, and it was kind of okay, Rick, I'm ready to take my business to the next level. What kind of ideas do you have, or how can you help me? And he was able to help me learn that there are so many more farmers markets and different opportunities in this area. We talked about some marketing strategies and some homework, some research that I need to do. I plan on doing a couple open houses so people can actually see what I do, some classes, bouquet arranging. I would love to teach people how to plant a seed. So there are different things that I feel I can help people do. I would absolutely recommend other businesses to the SBDC. They can help you find the market that you need. If I can make just one person smile and have a great day, it's worth it.